Good morning, everyone. I am Fatima Shaima from UG. Today I will like to talk about discipline. Discipline is the most important everyone's life. Without discipline, we cannot lead a happy life. The roles with regular human activities go discipline. School is the best place to learn discipline. We should obey our teacher, respect our elder. Children should not misbehave in any way. The behavior we build up in our childhood will stick to our life. Discipline leads us right by following discipline in our day-to-day life. We can build a healthy future. So let me conclude my work. Thanking you all. Assalamu alaikum.